Hello everyone, Kyle here from Team GeoFli. Today we wanted to quickly run through some of our geo-targeting features when you're in the application, building campaigns. What can you expect to see? We'll use the Bates homepage as an example. You'll notice three of our main targeting features: location library, radius targeting, and custom draws. First, let's take a look at location library. This is where you can say anybody visiting from this state is who we want to target. So Texas, Oklahoma, South Dakota, wherever that might be. In this example, we select Texas. What we're telling GeoFli is anybody that visits from an IP address within Texas, what content do we want them to see? So again, using this homepage, we can quickly change content with our blue indicator. And so we're changing two pieces in this case. And we just change the text here. You're not alone, being from the Lone Star State. Now, anybody visiting Bates' homepage from Texas is going to see just how many current Texans are enrolled at Bates. Next, let's take a look at radius targeting. This is a great new feature where we can actually select a city and then select a specific radius around that city. So if you want to target 20 miles outside of San Francisco, or in this case, we can say, well, 25, maybe we want to zoom out a little bit, so let's do 50 miles outside of Austin. On second hand, let's do 100. No, 25 looks good. And then we simply target. And just like we did with the location library, where we selected the entire state, now we're focusing in a little bit more on Austin. So anybody visiting from the Austin metro area, what exactly do we want them to see? And maybe your admissions counselors are heading to the Austin College Fair coming up in April. And so you want to make sure that anybody visiting from Austin that visits Bates.edu sees, wow, okay, maybe I want to meet with an admissions counselor while I'm there. And they can learn more, sign up, maybe meet for coffee. When we're satisfied with what that looks like, we can add another region. And finally, our custom draw. So this is where we can actually pinpoint spots on our map to say, we want to target maybe the West Coast or the East Coast, or it can be just a custom draw around a specific city or a zip code. And so here we're drawing our places, finish up our polygon, hit next. So that's a quick look at the three ways you can target, and now we're going to choose, hey, an alumni that visits our homepage, maybe we've got a couple West Coast alumni receptions coming up that we want them to be aware of. Join us in 3 cities along the West Coast. They can click into that and see exactly where those are, but there's a quick preview. And so as we scroll up to preview the 3 regions we just created in under 5 minutes, here's our Texas, so that's kind of zoomed out, 75 Texans. And let's preview our Austin radius. April 3rd, join us for the Austin College Fair, looks great. And finally, anybody visiting from the West Coast, specifically alumni, they're going to see that West Coast notification. Our goal at GeoFli is to create a user experience where anybody can log in and make impactful changes to their website. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, send us an email, or submit a form on our website, geofli.com. Thank you very much.